I remember, I think it was Robert Cromines with Paul Mitchell. He said it costs you 40% to operate your salon. And I was like, oh, wow. So if you're paying 50%, you've got 10%
buffer
to keep the profit. Yeah. And so when they did that, it hit me. And I drew the first person that came to me asking me for more money. I thought, I saw this in my head and I drew it. I don't know. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Let's see. It's 40% and 40%. And then the other 10 and 10. Well, I thought, you know what? And this is what I'm making, 50%, all of this and maybe 10% profit. You're keeping all this other money. And I'm guessing you got bills and you're only getting to use 10% for your fun, your vacation, your clothes, your Amazon shopping, your boots. And so you're asking me for more percentage. Where does it come from? If you're asking me for 5 or 10% more, you're basically asking me to not make money. And that's what it hit me. I was like, God, if I give you 5 or 10% more, that's just giving to you and hurting me more. Firing you would be a better option at this point.
I mean, it's
and I hate it. I know I'm your friend, so I hate saying that, but financially, that's what it looked like. So what I did was, I think it might even been Robert that was like, first of all, are you booked solid? Why are you asking me for more money? Are you working all the days, all the hours? If you're not giving it your all to help both of us make more money in the time that you have slotted, you're not doing your job, or maybe I'm not doing my job in promoting you well enough. Fill up your book. Then let's talk about how you make more money. And it's not by me giving more. What it is it's making this whole pie bigger. So both of us have more money for bills. I can't draw backwards. Both of us have more money for the bills that you are making us have. And we each have a little more in our 10% because we charge a little more. You are better. You're showing that you're worth more. You're building that business, rescheduling. And so we're taking that $50 haircut and making it $55 now. And so $5 more across the board makes us both more money. We like each other more. We both grew together. Our businesses grew. Our relationship grew. You're charging more, but it's hard. It's hard to charge more. That's where hairdressers have the biggest problem is they're my friends. They get upset when I charge more, but we have to. You deserve a raise.